On the home page, you have a few sections. The first one is Quick Edit Tools. Here, you'll see tools you used before, so it might look different for you. If you're looking for a tool you don't see, click View All, and it will open the same pop-up as the Quick Action menu we talked about earlier. Below that, you'll see your last project from the Your Stuff tab. When you click View All on that line, it takes you to your stuff. Next is the Blank Canvas section. Here, you can choose the dimensions you need to start your project. If you click View All, it opens the same pop-up again, but in a different tab. Under that, you'll see more tools Adobe thinks you might want to use. And at the very bottom, you'll find templates again. You can use them to start your video or any other file. You can also change the design type, like video, social post, etc. So it will only show templates for what you need. There are more things you can do with Adobe Express, and you can watch the next video to get inspired. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.